everyone, welcome back to my channel. How you guys doing today? Well, today I'm gonna be doing a centerpiece, a Christmas centerpiece, and some things you're gonna need is I'm using these presents. I got this at the Dollar Tree. This vase that I got, probably you can find this at the Dollar Tree. Those snowflakes, you can find that at Michael's. This is what it is. You can find that at Michael's. I also have these Christmas tree that this is from last year. I'm gonna have the video that I did last year for the centerpiece Christmas decoration. I'm gonna be using these blue lights, these LED lights. You can buy them on Amazon. I'm gonna have the information in the description, and my brush and the snowflake. This I got at the Dollar Tree too. It brings a couple of snowflakes. And I also have this bow that I'm going to use. I already made the bow. I'm going to have the video that how to make a bow. I did it on last year centerpiece decoration. I have on there how I made the bow. And this you can find at the Dollar Tree too. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started. First, what I'm gonna do is this. I'm gonna add on top of here. So I'm gonna color this white, and I'm gonna add these flakes onto this cardboard. So I'm gonna go ahead and color this white. All right, so I'm gonna let that dry up. I got that cardboard box from the Ritz cracker box. I just cut a piece out of that, and now I'm gonna let this dry up a little bit. With this snowflake, I'm gonna add it onto the top of this. And so then I'm gonna add it on here. And then I'm gonna let it dangle down with the light on top. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. Go ahead and go to the next step. So now I have the snowflakes in here. So add some snowflakes in there,